started 2009, I think. Before here I was a plumber, so training to be a plumber, but that didn't work out, and 6 months into the job, Siemens got back to me. I applied months ago. It's a long, but it's a worthwhile application process. It's in depth, quite a few tests, interviews, various stages, and they got back to me and said, there's a job here if you want it. So I was probably 19 or 20 when I started. You know, I had a year in college, and then you're onto the shop floor on 3-month placements at the time. My first placement was on engine build, new build. I had placement in test, a little placement in marking out, sort of measuring up casings and stuff, and then a double placement down on research and development, which absolutely brilliant. You're building the engines, you're testing them, and just a brilliant crew to work with, to be honest. And then on to maintenance for another 8 months, I think it was. I just sort of doubled up on my placement. So you go for your placement, you've got all your NVQ modules, and come to the end of your apprenticeship, you're sent where you need to tick off your existing modules, your remaining stuff. So basically had me pick up where I wanted to go. And no, I had a good time with it, to be honest. And then coming to the end of apprenticeship, like I say, Teal Park was opening up, new Lincoln site, and Andy came along and said, there's a job there if you want it, would you like an interview for it? So I jumped at it, and a few months later I was down here. Through the apprenticeship, you're earning the whole time, you're not building up any debts, and a few of us walked out of it with deposit for a house, you know, or a nice car, whatever you want, but you know, you're young and you've got all this money all of a sudden. It's a job that you don't have to take home with you. It's sort of here, you put your all into it when you're at work, but it's not something you need to worry about when you go home. It's not a stressful job.